Our approach to that has been very much a strategic partnership, and the cultural alignment on that's important. Shared objectives, shared balanced scorecards, shared measures of success. Yeah. Really, really important. But also a open, constructive, collaborative, but challenging relationship at its heart. If I compare that to a few other partnerships, I think getting that balance right is super important. I think it's very easy for, let's say, banks, particularly bigger banks, but it's very easy for banks to, think about themselves at the center of those relationships and not really have a peer-to-peer relationship. Yeah. We're trying to develop and been pushing really hard to have peer-to-peer relationships. With Engine is one of those, but there are others that we're absolutely, are part of the proposition that we're bringing to market. Some of those that we'll launch with, others that will be fast followers. But that partnership model is super important. Yeah. I think that's a real capability. That doesn't come without, deliberate actions, deliberate investments, and fostering that culture and capability.
Yeah. There's obviously a lot of risk attributed with partnering with technology providers, particularly when you're talking about core banking solutions. And I've seen over the years a number of people approach me just saying, hey, we've got this solution, we're looking to put it in front of banking CEOs. And they're like 2 people. And you think, can I read the room, guys? What have you found in terms of kind of resources, kind of risk mitigation, governance, security? Are there elements that kind of you need to tick those boxes if you're going to work with a fintech kind of solutions provider?
There absolutely is, and you're absolutely right. And I think it's a bit about horses for courses as well. I think as we look, and if I look at our existing partners and the partnerships that we've been working on and that we've had and fallen away, it's a very different proposition depending on what the nature of that is. The core banking system for us is absolutely at the heart of our business. And so, our ability and our willingness to take a real punt, talk to a few smaller organizations thinking about banking as a service and thinking about, core platforms, and it's just beyond our risk appetite. Yeah.